Bavaria by Nina Strasser and Alex Dwyer.
Today, we will discuss the history of Bavaria and why it is considered one of the wealthiest and most productive states in Germany.
So to begin, the history of Bavaria. In German, Bavaria is Freistaat Bayern. It is a landlocked federal state of Germany, as you can see in the picture to the right. It is the largest German state by land area at 27,200 square miles, with a population of 12.9 million people.
The Duchy of Bavaria. Duchy is similar to a territory, and this settlement began in the 6th century. At this time, the Holy Roman Empire became an independent kingdom and led to the formation of the state of the Federal Republic of Germany. This dates back to the year 555. Originally, Bavaria is located into a region slightly north of the Alps, and in English, Bavarian means man of Baia.
Next, it became the Kingdom of Bavaria. It first was a republic that existed from 1806 until 1918, and then the Free State of Bavaria transitioned to a democracy after World War II.
Why is Bavaria considered one of the wealthiest regions in Germany? So, just a brief overview of the economy. Bavaria is the second wealthiest state in Germany. It has a gross regional product of 594.45 billion euros, and it consists of 18.2% of Germany's total GDP. Only 20 other countries in the world have a higher GDP than Bavaria currently. These numbers come from the year 2017.
So some of the key headquarters that help make up their GRP are BMW, Siemens, Rohde and Schwarz, Audi, Munich Re, Allianz, Infineon, Puma, and Adidas. In parentheses, you can see what some of the companies and firms specialize in. For example, Siemens produces telephones and medical instruments, while Allianz provides financial services.
Some of their key economic partners are Austria, the Czech Republic, Northern Italy, and Switzerland.
So in summary, Bavaria's market has one of the highest levels of purchasing power in the entire world, and their economy transformed from agricultural-based to a high-tech economy. For example, some of the things that make up their high-tech economy are biotech, IT services, and environment technology.
Why is Bavaria considered one of the most productive regions? So, some of their keys to productivity include their universities, where they have a close-knit network of 13. Additionally, they have many public research organizations. Two of the largest ones include Fraunhofer and Max Planck. They have 55,000 employees devoted to research and development. Additionally, a large population in Bavaria is due to their excellent quality of life.
So touching back to their high-tech environment, pertaining to being one of the most productive states is that they have Many universities, institutes, and high-tech firms, which is very attractive to foreign investors. And they're on the forefront of renewable energy. For example, they have the largest solar module installation market in the world. More specifically, SolarWatt, which is based in Dresden and employs 480 people with a 300 million euro turnover.
Hopefully you learned a little about the history of Bavaria and why it is considered one of the wealthiest and most productive states in Germany.